Begin spinal breathing in the starting Qigong position. Hips at the same width as your shoulders and the soles of your feet firmly planted on the ground. For this exercise, imagine the spine as a chain of vertebrae. We want to make this chain more elastic. We do this by bending the spine backwards and forwards. It is very important that the movement is controlled from the base, which in the case of the spine is the pelvis. So the pelvis moves backwards and forwards. Since the spine is connected to the pelvis, it follows the movement. Curve the spine backwards and forwards. Now connect the exercise with your breathing. Breathe in and put your arms in a U position and pull them back down. The elbows pull down as well, and you feel a strengthening in the back and your chest cavity opening. Look slightly upwards. As you breathe out, do the opposite movement. Bring your elbows and the back of your arms together, roll forward. This stretches the back muscles. To finish, sink back down. Now let's take the stretching to the lower part of the spine, the lumbar region. In addition to a forward bend, you can move your upper body like a pendulum. Left, right, left, right. Sense how the stretch shifts itself. A little bit to the left, then a little bit to the right. Then return to center and bend your knees. Roll your spine upwards, vertebra by vertebra. Imagine your spine like an elastic rope.